Welcome to Rua Perfect Classes. My name is Rachna Rana. Today I am going to discuss about C program. To find out sum of three numbers, for this program I will use online compiler. I am using this compiler called Chef. In this compiler, you have to choose first of all which compiler you will be use: C, C++, Java, Python, etc. I am using C GC 6.3 option. Now I am going to start showing how to write coding. Here you will write code of C program. Hash include studio stdio.h. stdio.h means standard input output header file. This file is included in C program for using the scanf or printf function. Now next step is hash include conio.h, but here we have no need to use hash include conio.h because here I am using int main function and return 0 for the output. If you want to use getch function or clear screen function, then you can use the hash include conio.h function, that is console input output header file. Now next, int main function is the starting point. From here compiler will know from which place that can be compilation started. So here, first of all you have to decide which type of values you want to enter in C program. Means you want to integer value, means you want to without decimal value, you want to decimal value, you want to characters, words. This will be decided before the writing coding in the program. Now I am taking here int data type. Int data type is used for the integer value, means without decimal values. I am taking here three variables, num1, num2, num3 for the entering input of three numbers, and fourth variable, that is total. This variable is used for the output. And now next step is printf function. If you want to show any line as it on the screen, then you have to write this line in printf function in double quotes, like /n, enter three numbers of num1, num2 and num3, and then for the termination of line we use semicolon. Next step is scanf function. Scanf function is used for entering the input. If you want to enter runtime values, then you have to use scanf function. But scanf function for scanf function you have to decide which type of format string you are using. It will be decided on the basis of data type. If you use the integer data type, then you will use format string %d. If you want to enter float data type, floating values, means with decimals values, then you have to use %f. Now here I am using percentage D 3 times because I am entering 3 numbers on the runtime. Like this, in double quotes you have to write percentage D 3 times without spacing, then comma, ampersand num1 comma ampersand num2 comma ampersand num3. Ampersand is used for address of particular variable. When you enter value, then this value, where this value is stored, this value is stored at a particular place, and that particular place address is represented by ampersand. Ampersand num1, ampersand num2, ampersand num3 with commas, and then termination point is semicolon. And total is equal to num1, num2 plus num3 semicolon you have to use. Then printf for the output showing. Which line you want to show as it, that line should be written in the double quotes. Like slash n sum of numbers is equal to percentage D. Here percentage D is used for showing which data type of value show in the screen. Comma, total is used for the output because num1 plus num2 plus num3, after the addition of 3 numbers, result go into the total variable. So for showing the result we use the total variable here. Now after writing this coding, you have to go here custom input. Here you can change input. For example, I am going to take 5, 7, 8. Now I am going to click on run option for checking the output. After running option, you will get result 5 plus 7, 12, 12 plus 8, 20. Now you can see this result. Output is enter 3 numbers of num1, num2 and num3, and sum of numbers is equal to 20. And like this program, you can also do any type of programs in C. For example, if you want to calculate average of these 3 numbers, then you have to only enter here one variable, that is ABG. I am taking here ABG is the abbreviations of average. Now I am going to calculation average. ABG is equal to, you can use total divide by 3. You can use num1 plus num2 plus num3 divide by 3. There are 2 methods. You can use any type of methods. I am taking here total divide by 3. Why we using divide by 3? Because the average formula is total of values divided by number of items. So I am here taking average is equal to total divide by 3. Then semicolon. Now I am going to print showing the result. For showing result, I am taking printf function. In printf function, I am writing slash n average is equal to percentage D, comma, ABG. Here you can see I am taking percentage D format string because I am taking integer data type for the average variable. But if you think result will be in points, then in decimals, then you have to use float variable like this. Here I will take float variable, float ABG. Now I have to change percentage D in percentage F. Now I am going to entering inputs. I am taking here 56, here 72, here 83. Now I am going to click run option. Then after clicking on run option, I will get the result. After compilation, now I am get result sum of numbers 211 and average of these numbers is 70. Now next program you can calculate percentage. How can you calculate percentage? You can use here for calculating percentage variable. I am taking here for percentage calculations PER variable. For percentage calculation PER is equal to, you can use two types of formulas like bracket start num1 plus num2 plus num3 bracket close, then multiply 100 and again bracket close divide by 300. But here you can also use total multiply 100 and you have to write these two values in rounded brackets, parenthesis brackets, then divide 300. If you use 300, then you get result as it average. But if you using here total 310, then you can see result will be different. Total, you have to show the result. Print F in double quotes. I am writing /n percentage is equal to percentage F comma PER, and then for termination of line we will use semicolon. Now you can see the result after clicking on run option, because I am already entered the input. After processing you can get the result. If we use divide by 300, then I will get result average 70%. But here I am using 310 total, then percentage is changed 68%. And these are three programs which I am showing here how to coding in C program. In next video I will discuss next programs, for example palindromes, Armstrong, Fibonacci series, factorial, how calculate these reverse numbers, etc. And I will also discuss in next videos how to calculate volume, areas of cone, cylinder, circle and semispheres, etc. If you like this video, then please like and subscribe. Thank you.